Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आज आम्ही एक एमर्जन्सी एक्सपर्ट कमिटी मीटिंग घेतली at 3:30 in our conference room. This is on the request of the sports secretary of government of Goa. Now, based on the guidelines given by government of India, today we discussed about allowing 100% capacity in the open stadiums, and it was found that Sports Authority of India and the Sports Authority of Government of Goa, they feel that since there is less of risk stratification and less risk of COVID, we have actually the members of the expert committee have unanimously said that we should allow 100% capacity in any outdoor sports stadium. So we have allowed this. We are going to give these minutes to the Secretary Sports so that he can issue necessary orders. Now, whilst giving this permission also, we have said that one should follow the COVID appropriate behavior. They should wear mask all the time, and people who have been double vaccinated or fully vaccinated, means including boosters, they should show their certificate, and if they are not vaccinated, they should come with the negative COVID certificate, negative COVID test. Also, we have said that there should be a thermal checking at the entrance so that asymptomatic people only enter the stadium, and also the sanitization of the hands, because these are the mainstay in preventing the COVID. I don't want to have that very early victory of COVID. So these things also we have suggested in our meeting.
टोटल कॅपॅसिटी असलं गेमीनी मातशी कॅपॅसिटीच्या भायर बी वयता.
But then we have said authorities to restrict to the only 100% capacity, not beyond 100%.